how to move 3D, align and rotate 3D objects in AutoCAD. I want to move, rotate and align this object around X, Z and Y axis in AutoCAD. So this object is currently aligned to the view I want is aligned to the front, and we might want to realign it to the top, so that if, for example, I copy these into another drawing, into a new drawing, it will be I will not be able to paste. It will appear like this. If I paste it here where I need it, this one is aligned to the top, it will appear like that. You can see. So I want to be arrange it. So I'll go to back to 3D view. Now let's start by copying. Let me copy. I will just need to go to modify. Remember, I'm in the 3D mode. If you see, this is 3D modeling. So if you come to, if you click here, I'm in 3D modeling. Now I can modify by copying. So I will copy from here to there. So I want to align this one. Let me rotate this so that I can have a better view. I want to align it by rotating around X axis. So I just need to draw again a line. Now this one perpendicular is checked. I'll draw a line parallel to the X axis. Now let me rotate about this axis. So I will type rotate 3D. Pick that one. I'll pick the first point, the second point, and the angle is 90. So let's have the top view. Okay, I can again mirror. Mirror. Remember, I'm still in 3D mode. I want to mirror this one. I'll just type mirror. Mirror 3D instead of 3D mirror. there's a difference between 3D mirror and mirror 3D. Just go back to the drafting and modeling. So I want to mirror. Let me mirror in drafting and modeling. Mirror. Then I can just say maybe yes. Okay. And go back to 3D. Now let's say we want now to align this object. Now if I copy this one, if I copy, I can just paste it here how I want to appear. Paste. Now it appears properly. Okay. Let me go back here. Now I want to align this drawing with this drawing. So I'll just select everything and then align 3D. Just 3D align. So before we go to 3D align, you can move. So let's first let me just complete 3D align. 3D align. So you need to select the object. Make sure you select the object first. Type 3D align, and I want to align from this point, that point, and that point. And then I want to align to I will pick this point, that point, and that point. You can see what we have achieved here by using 3D align. Now to move 3D, just select everything. You can use move because you're already in the 3D mode, and you can just swiftly move about an axis. Let's say I want to move about the y-axis. All right. I want to move about the y-axis. I just move. Make sure this one is checked, and then move. Now moving about the z-axis, about the x-axis, and again about the y-axis. You can see I can be able to move about the y-axis, right? Because this one is checked. If I uncheck this one, I can be able to move in any direction. So there are many commands here. You can do array, you can do scale of 3D. There's also 3D rotate. This one is a bit different from rotate 3D. So if you click rotate 3D rotate, you can see the y-axis is green, x-axis is red, and z-axis is blue. So let me pick the base point. Then I'll pick the rotation axis. Maybe I want to rotate about the x-axis, so I will pick red. Then I can I've been able to rotate about the x-axis. Now to align it back to the top, let me see the top view. I will need to rotate about x-axis. So I'll select everything. All right, rotate. My base point is there. Angle of rotation is 90. Let me try again. So there's a difference between 3D rotate and rotate 3D. So I prefer you to use rotate 3D, this command, 3D. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.